Hello students, in this video we are going to do the project Display Keypad with Relay with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that we need relay, display keypad, LCD display with I2C module, jumper wires and an Arduino Uno from our kit. To do the project we need to create the circuit as per this schematic diagram. Connect the pin in the relay module to Arduino pin D12. Connect 1 to 8 pins on the display to Arduino pin D9 to D2. Connect the SDA pin on the I2C to Arduino pin A4. Connect the SCL pin on the I2C to Arduino pin A5. After connecting the circuit, upload the project to the Arduino Uno using the Arduino IDE as shown in our previous tutorial video. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project to see the keypad input, where the user enters a password using the keypad and keypad send the password input to the microcontroller Arduino. And for the password verification, the microcontroller compares the password to the previously saved password. If the password matches, the microcontroller activates the relay, and when the relay is activated, LED turns on. Then display status shows the user's input and status messages as password correct or incorrect. Where can you use this project in real world? Robot control. The robot that only starts moving when you enter a code. Once the right code is entered, the relay triggers the robot's motor to start, and the screen shows robot activated. The same mechanism is used in this project. Thank you.